This video will provide you with an overview of how to safely navigate your way through roundabouts and intersections and explain the variations of the give way rule. When approaching a roundabout, you should plan well in advance which exit you wish to take and which lane you'll need to use. You should obey any signs or road markings such as traffic lane arrows. Unless traffic lane arrows or signs indicate otherwise, the general procedure for a two-lane roundabout would be turn left from the left lane and right turn from the right lane, and straight ahead from either lane. When turning left or right, you must indicate in the corresponding direction. Going straight ahead through a roundabout does not require an indicator when approaching. When entering a roundabout, you are required to give way to any traffic within the roundabout in any lane. You can enter a roundabout if there is a safe gap in the traffic flow, but should stay alert for fast approaching traffic from the right. Indicate left whenever you exit a roundabout. Like a roundabout, when approaching an intersection, ensure you've planned in advance which lane you need to be in to travel to the appropriate direction, and follow all traffic lane arrows, signs and road markings, as well as traffic lights. The general rule when you give way is to give way to your right, but this is not always the case. At an unsigned crossroad, you must give way to all vehicles approaching from your right, but if you want to turn right, you must give way to all oncoming vehicles too. If you're driving on a road that ends in a T intersection, you must give way to all vehicles on the continuing road. And naturally, if you come to a stop sign or give way sign, you must give way to all other vehicles as well. When approaching an intersection with a stop sign and a give way sign, a stop sign is not more powerful than a give way sign. The signs effectively cancel each other out and normal give way rules apply. Both vehicles must give way to all vehicles. Then, because car A is turning right, it must give way to car B. If you're planning to do a U-turn, you must give way to all other vehicles before turning. If you're turning right at an intersection, you must give way to vehicles coming from the direction that are driving ahead straight through the intersection, or if they're turning left at the intersection. Now, vehicle B gives way to vehicle A. Being familiar and comfortable with the give way rules will help prevent accidents and create a safer environment on the road for yourself and other road users. So stay safe and happy driving.